Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to create a Maven project in Intellij Idea. So whenever you install Intellij Idea in your MacBook, then it will be something like this. And here you can see there are many options, like you can search already existing project if you have already existing project, or you can create a new project by clicking on this button, or you can open an already existing project by clicking on this button. You need to go to file system and open a project, or you can get it from version control system, that is VCS. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to create a new project. So we'll be clicking on this new project button, and here we can see that I can create different types of project. Like I can create a Java project, or I can create a Maven, Gradle, or even Android project I can create over here. So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about Maven. So we'll create a Maven project. So I have selected Maven project. After that, I'll select create from archetype. Before that, let's talk about project SDK. So here I have selected SDK as JDK, and the version of the SDK I have selected as 1.8. I have installed Java 11 also, but in this case, I have not used Java 11. Rather, I'm going to use Java 1.8. So I'll be selecting 1.8. After that, I'm going to select Maven archetype quick start, which is going to create a simple project for me. And by selecting on this, it will create me a simple project of Maven. After that, click on next. And here you can provide a project name. So I'll provide hello world geek. And here I can provide the coordinate. So I can write com Java geek, and I can make it release version 1.0 and click on next. Here you can see I have selected bundled Maven in IntelliJ, and these options, user setting files and local repository, are for overriding. If you want to override settings.xml or a local M2 repository, then you can click on these buttons and you can select the path and path of settings.xml or path of local M2 repository. In this case, I'm not going to do that. So let's uncheck this, and you can check everything over here: group ID, com.java geek, artifact ID, hello world geek, version 1.0, archetype group ID, this, and archetype version release. Click on finish. And here I have my Maven project created, and you see it started building the project, and it has built the project successfully. Now I can see that what uh, this archetype has done for me is that it has added a few things for me in my pom.xml. Let's see that it has added the group ID, which we had entered earlier, an artifact ID, version, and here it has added the JUnit also for me. So in the most of the projects, it will add JUnit as a dependency so that you can do unit testing. After that, you can see it has added some plugins also for me. Plugins will talk about later. And if you see the directory structure over here, so it has added main and test. And inside main, you can see the main class, which is an app class it has added. And if I go and run this app class, then I can run it as well. So let me run it for you guys. If I run it, then it will print hello world. Yeah, so if you see, it has printed hello world for me. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.